Hey, good evening, guys. Welcome to Chapter 7 review this evening. I'll be walking through these problems with you, so try to keep up. You notice the first problem here, 2 times 9. Well, we know that 9 plus 9 is 18, so easy. 2 times 9 is 18. Fill in the missing factor. Well, the missing factor right here is 4 times what equals 36. We all kind of know that one. I think that is 9. If you thought 9 and wrote 9, excellent. 8 times 7. I do know that 8 times 8 is 64, so if I just subtract 8, it would be 56. Fill in the missing factor for this problem. 8 times what equals 56? I'm going to use the knowledge from the problem above and look at, well, 8 times 7 is 56. What times 3 is 30? That would be 10. Hopefully that's the answer you wrote. Fill in the missing product here. 6 times 5, and that is 30. Fill in the missing product down here. 2 times 4. That would be 8. Nice job. Let's move on. 9 times 5. That would be what? 45. Okay, now for 9 and 10. There's interesting problems because what we're asking you to do is you need to do a ballpark estimate as well as show the real answer. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this number and write it ballpark estimate first. 497. Well, that's about 500. And the symbol is addition, so I'm going to put plus. And 324, I'm going to round that to 300. So what's 5 plus 3? That would be 8. And I'm going to add my 2 zeros afterwards. 800. Now let's do the problem for real. 7 plus 4. That would be 11. 9 plus 1 is 10. 11, 12. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6, 7, 8. So 821 is my real answer. And that would go there. Let's do the next problem. 499. Well, I'm going to take that and write here. That's about 500. 227. Well, it is 27 over 200, but I'm still going to write 200. So then 500 plus 200 is 700. Now let's do the real answer. 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 2, 6, 7. 726 is my answer. Nice job, guys. Let's move on to the next problem. Let's look at this one. 710. I'm going to write that here. That's about 700 minus this time. Notice the subtraction. 242. What should I put for that one? Well, it's 42 over 200. You know what? I'm going to be safe, and I'm going to say 250 because it's pretty close to 250. And 700 minus 200 I know is what? What's 700 minus 200? That'd be 500. But remember, I'm taking 50 more, so that would be 450. Now let's see how close we get on the real one. 0 minus 2. Well, I'm going to have to borrow from there and make it a 0, so that becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 0 minus 4. I can't do 0 minus 4, boys and girls, so I have to borrow from my 7 and make it a 6. I'm going to make that 0 a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So I think the real answer here is 468. Let's move on. Actually, I'll come back with the second part of the review right after these quick messages.